but look, we should try it now. Maybe we could get, maybe we could buy like one for two. One for you and one for me.
Sure. Sure. Oh, look at all the food. Holy moly. Tonight we're on a food adventure and the place is hot. There's so many food options. We have a difficult time choosing what the hell to eat. So we'll just try to eat as much as we can. Alright, stay tuned. First dish. Let's go. Second, this is gizzard and intestines. Third, thank you. Noodles, rice, pork, but you know, Rasta non yam pork. Obviously not for me, right? I dip this in there too. Oh, so good. We have to be so rough when I'm eating. So not only is there really good food and a lot of cheap options, there's a live band. Okay.
I'll film you.
Wanna try palak? Wish me luck. I'm not looking forward to this, but yeah.
Okay, yeah, I'm filming it. Yeah, oh. Babe at the top.
Oh Lord. What the hell is this?
Babe, the salt. For the salt. The salt. It's also good without vinegar.
Try some without the vinegar.
Yeah, try it. It tastes good. Look, another foreigner is trying. Babe, it tastes great.
It's not so bad. Yeah.
You like it? You like
It's
it?
not as bad as it looks.
No?
It's not as bad as it looks.
Is it the Pokemon? Pokemon.
We're eating a Pokemon. Okay, now I pour the vinegar in.
Is it hot?
Now what? Pour the vinegar in.
Yeah.
This is not balloon. No egg. But you open it. You open it.
Hey, just be careful.
Alright, ready?
Go.
I think this is something you eat with your eyes closed. That's what it is.
A little bit and then I'll open the rest.
How does it taste?
Just don't look at it. Just don't look at it.
You like the ice cream? I do.
Don't eat the hard part, okay?
Don't eat the hard part.
Yeah, the white.
Shell.
No, I'm not talking about the shell. I'm talking about this. Okay, at the below. Babe, they will try it too. I think they're also first time taking it. Taking one. Yeah, that one.
You open a little bit for me. You open it.
How does it taste?
Like egg.
Yeah, like egg, normally.
Uh-huh. A very weird looking egg.
Is the head?
Okay. I'm done.
Is the head?
I live. I survive. I'm an raised no little bitch.
Oh my god, I'm so proud of you.
Do you like it?
Yeah, it's like egg.
You want this one?
I'm good. Be brave. Be brave.
Yeah, they're brave.
Be brave, man.
No, I'm definitely not gonna eat it.
Eat it, man. It's good.
Where are you from?
Jamaica.
Jamaica.
Yeah. Where are you from?
Netherlands.
Netherlands.
Yes.
Ah,